Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to introduce a battery articulated boom lift with a working height that can reach 26 meters. If you're interested in it, feel free to contact us privately. Not only can the equipment reach great heights, but it can also cover a vast vertical and horizontal working space without moving the chassis. Thanks to the flexible extension, retraction, and rotation of its boom, which doubles the work efficiency. It features a robust steel structure boom and a stable chassis, ensuring overall stability and safety during high-altitude extension operations. Moreover, its extremely low noise level enables operations during regular business hours, office hours, or near residential areas without disturbing others, thereby extending the effective working time. Equipped with a tilt protection system, emergency descent device, explosion-proof valve, platform load sensing system, etc., it provides all-round protection for both personnel and equipment. It responds sensitively, quickly and accurately delivering personnel and tools to the optimal working positions, thereby reducing ineffective movement time. With a working height of 26 meters, it easily reaches the height of an 8-story building. Powered by a battery, it produces no exhaust emissions or noise during operation, making it an ideal choice for indoor venues such as stadiums, hospitals, schools, and office buildings where environmental and noise requirements are stringent.